Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about the rationalization of denominator of the surd, also the absolute value of the surd. All the examples which are based on absolute value that we have taken in the previous lecture. Now we are going to learn about some examples of addition subtraction of surds from problem set number 2. Let's start with the first example. These examples are not complicated, but it is involving the rationalization also. That's why they are different. So let's take the first example. 4 upon 7 square root of 147 plus 3 upon 8 square root of 192 minus 1 upon 5 square root of 75. Now first of all, for the simplification, we have to do the factors of 147 and 192 and 75 in such a way that we can take square root of the one of the factor. Now, from 147, 192 and 75, 75 is the smallest. So, if I take the factors of 75 in such a way that I can take the square root of one of the factors will be 25 into 3. 25 3 is 75. So now in this way we have to take the factors of 147 and 192 such a way that one factor will be 3. So here I will write 4 upon 7 square root of 3 into 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. Plus 3 upon 8 square root of 192. So 3 into 64 minus 1 upon 5 into 3 into 25. Now remember that while addition and subtraction of the surd, your surd will be like surds. Like surd means inside the surd means in the radicand part and in the order part, the numbers should be same in 3 of surds. So, in this way, I have taken the factors. Now, I will remove the square root. 49 square root is 7 outside the surd, and inside the surd 3 remains as it is because we cannot calculate further for the 3. 3 upon 8 into square root of 64 is 8. 3 remains as it is minus 1 upon 5 into square root of 25 is 5. 3 remains as it is. Now 7 7 get cancelled, 8 8 get cancelled, 5 5 get cancelled. What is remaining? The coefficient is 4 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3 minus 1 square root of 3. No need to write here the coefficient 1, just write square root of 3. Now observe all these 3 surds, the radicand is 3 and the order is 2, means these 3 are the like surds. So we can do the 4 plus 3 minus 1 square root of 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 square root of 3 in this way. Now for the second example, how will you will solve this? Again, here the smallest factor is 3. Radicand is 3. It means here we have to take the factors of 27 as one factor will be 3. So 5 square root of 3 plus 2, 3 into 9 in the surd plus 1 upon square root of 3. Now this is the denominator and which is the surd. Now while the surd in the denominator, we have to do the rationalization of the denominator. But how? That I will explain you later. First I will write 5 square root of 3 plus 2 into square root of 9 is 3 plus square root of 3 upon 1 upon square root of 3. Now 5 square root of 3 plus 2 3s are 6 square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3. 5 plus 6 is 11 square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3. Now here to do the addition we can do the cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication what you will get? By cross multiplication 11 square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3, what you will get? 11 square root of 3 into square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3. So 11 into square root of 3 into square root of 3, you will get 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3. 11 into 3, 33 plus 1 upon square root of 3. 33 plus 1, 34 upon square root of 3. Now here the denominator is irrational. So we have to do the rationalization of square root of 3. 34 square root of 3. To rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply it by square root of 3. Again 34 into square root of 3. So your answer 34 square root of 3 upon square root of 3 into square root of 3, you will get 3. So now see the denominator. Denominator is rational now. Your answer is 34 upon 3 square root of 3. Let's consider the next example. Example number 3. Square root of 216 minus 5 square root of 6 plus square root of 294 minus 3 upon square root of 6. Now again the surd is in the denominator. So for this example also we have to do the rationalization. Now square root of 206, here I will take the factor as 36 into 6 minus 5 square root of 6 plus factors of 294. 6 4s are 24. 6 9s are 54 minus 3 upon square root of 6. Now square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 6 remain as it is minus 5 square root of 6 plus square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 6 minus 3 upon square root of 6. Now see, 3 surds are the like surds. Therefore, if I remove the coefficients in the bracket, 6 minus 5 plus 7 square root of 6 minus 3 upon square root of 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. So here 8 square root of 6 minus 3 upon square root of 6. Again if I do the cross multiplication, 8 square root of 6 into square root of 6 minus 3 upon square root of 6. Square root of 6 into 6, you will get 6. 8 into 6 minus 3 upon square root of 6. 8 6 are 48. 48 minus 3 upon square root of 6. So you will get 45 upon square root of 6. So now see the student, the denominator is again surd. So make it as a rational. We have to multiply it by square root of 6. So what you will get again? 45 square root of 6 upon 6. So now your denominator is rational. So in this way we have solved this example. Similarly, for the fourth example here, what you will take the factors of 48 as 16 into 3, for the 75, 25 into 3, and now by the same procedure and the same steps as we did in the first, second and third example, you have to do it for the fourth example. And after getting your answer, you can do the rationalization for square root of 3. So solve your problem set number 2 completely. Make a PDF of your solved example, label it with your name and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp account. For any queries, you can ask me, call me or message me. Thank you.